Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing Ubisoft Connect and the game. This forces a clean sync when we restart. Next, check the app version and sign in with the identical Ubisoft account on the device you'll treat. Once done, copy local save folders to a safe backup location so you can restore if needed. Then relaunch Ubisoft Connect, but do not start the game yet. We'll trigger Cloud Sync deliberately to force a fresh upload and download. You now compare save timestamps to decide which file is authoritative. This prevents accidental overwrite. If timestamps conflict, rename the local file with a date tag and disable automatic sync briefly so you can manually control the transfer. Then use Ubisoft Connect's Save Management or the in-game cloud upload option to push the verified file to the cloud. Make sure to watch for any error codes. If the upload succeeds, re-enable automatic sync and allow the service to reconcile across your devices. Finish by restarting both your PC or console and your router, then launch Ubisoft Connect and the game to verify that the cloud save appears and loads correctly. If it still fails, clear Ubisoft Connect's cache or temporary files and retry the manual upload process. Cache corruption often blocks synchronization. As a final tip, keep your backed up save handy. If issues persist, provide it to Ubisoft support with timestamps so they can restore or merge your progress safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.